We have a brand new 2024 Denali HD Ultimate Trim Level Duramax right behind me that we completely did up here at Legends Auto Boutique. And we're going to go over all of our favorite parts that we put on this truck that will fit all 2020 to 2024 GMC and Chevy 2500 and 3500 single wheel truck. And some of the parts will also fit the dualies, but we will go over those specifically. So enjoy. If you have a brand new truck with an unbedlined, bare truck bed, then I have the perfect bed liner for you. Super easy install. You don't need someone else to do it. Have this shipped right to your door and have it in your truck in anywhere between 30 minutes and an hour. This thing comes rolled up in a box. You unroll it and you basically cut to size anything that you want to have accessible. So on this one specifically, this is made out of a plastic material that you can take a razor blade to and cut. So on this truck we have switches for lights, and then we also have the lights. So we actually took a razor blade, cut them out. We also cut out the hooks, and we cut out a little flap for our plug. So you can have anything accessible that you want, or you can have everything completely hidden. It is completely up to you. If you have everything hidden, then you have a beautiful looking bed. You open this thing up and you have a completely lined bed, so you can put anything that's fragile back here, as long as you tie it down still, of course. But you can have anything fragile back here, and it has crazy padding to make sure that it does not get harmed. You have about a ½ inch of material here. So you know how the beds have the ridges, right? On the actual bed part of this, not on the tailgate part, it follows those ridges so that you have a completely flat surface. It doesn't, if you were to put weight on here or if you were to sit in it, you wouldn't compress in between the ridges because it has that padding, that extra padding that fills those ridges. So it is perfectly flat. It is completely weatherproof. I do suggest pairing it with a backflip cover because you don't want it getting wet, but it's mold resistant, it's weatherproof. If it does get dirty, if you're using your truck for dirty stuff, I wouldn't suggest this. I would suggest a conventional bed liner, spray and bed liner, where you can get it as dirty as you want and not really care. You don't really want to get this dirty. You're buying it to look good and have a beautiful, protected bed. If you're just using your truck for normal day-to-day errands, going to Home Depot every now and then, going to Home Goods, doing normal people things and not doing construction and things where you're putting heavy materials in your bed, I would highly suggest the bed rug. It is perfect for drive-in movies and just hanging out in a field and looking up at the stars. But either way, it is the best bed liner that you can get for any new model vehicle, and they start at just $480. You can grab yours right now at legendsautoparts.com.